Starting from 20th of January 2023, Singaporeans can use the electronic gate facilities at the two land entry points in Johor Bahru, said Malaysia's Home Minister.
So what does this mean to us Singaporeans? It means we can skip all these jams and breeze through the causeway from now on. Please watch today's video and we will guide you step by step on how to apply, what to do and expect for your next Malaysia land crossing using the e-gates. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel if you have not done so yet. Thank you for your support. Step 1. Ensure that you are qualified to use the e-gates. You must be holding a Singapore passport with more than 3 months validity. You must be at least 1.2 meters in height. Please fill up this Malaysia Digital Arrival Card 3 days prior to arriving in Malaysia. This is to register your application to use the e-gates, and you only need to do this for the first time.
After submission, you can click here to check your registration.
You can also scan this QR code to access the website and the form. Step 2. According to the arrival date that you have filled on the form, enter Malaysia using either the Causeway or Tuas checkpoint and go to the manual counter to verify your biometric data. You only need to do this for the first time after you have registered. Once approved, you no longer need to go to the manual counter. Step 3. There's no step 3. The next time you enter and exit Malaysia via the land checkpoints, you can just proceed to the e-gates and use that instead of queuing at the manual counters. Simple, right? If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know in the comment section below. We will answer them as best as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on how to travel in and around Singapore. Thank you for watching today's video and we will see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.